Hi guys, welcome back. This is Rakesh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see what is form. So it's a very important topic in Angular. What is form and how we can perform with form tag in Angular with the help of forms module. So let us start with what is form. Form is also used for handle a data from users input that is called form. Now here you can see the definition of form. Angular forms are used to handle users input. We can use Angular form in our application to enable users to log in, to update profile, to enter information, and to perform many other data entry tasks in Angular. So if I talk about how many types of form in Angular, so there are two types of form. First is reactive and second is template driven form. So this is a very important topic. In this video, we will only focus on how to create a simple form, right, with the help of forms module, right. In next video, we will see what is reactive form, how we can perform with reactive, how we can create a reactive form, and how we can create a template driven form. We will see in next lecture, right. So let us start with the basic example. So first of all, we will create another component for file. Let's use new terminal, and first of all, let's move on file directory, project directory. Let's say stream app. So I will write here ng generate component name is so forms. So whenever we will create a form in Angular, first of all we need to import forms module, right, inside app.module.ts. So we will import forms module. So how we can import forms module? First of all, let's move on import array, and inside I will write simply, I'll write here forms module, right. So I have import forms module. Now here you can see forms module. After that, I will save this file, and again I will move on main terminal. Now here you can see I have successfully created one component, form component. Now here you can see there are four files: css, html, spec.ts, and component.ts. You can delete from here this spec.ts because we don't need this file. It is also used for testing purpose. So now let's start with form.component.html, right. Inside this file, I will write here, I will use deep tag. Inside deep tag, I will use form tag, and inside this form tag, I will create some input field. Let's say input type, also text, and after that, I will set name this input field. Let's say user name, right. And after that, you can use placeholder for better understanding. Enter your user name, right. Simple way, right. And I will copy this input field, and again I will use another field. Let's say password, right. And so name is password, and also I will write here inside placeholder, enter your password, right. And you can create multiple field. Let's say and last is right number, right. Number, your name, so number. This is a simple html code, nothing Angular code. And again I will use one button for submission data. So here I will write here submit now, submit now, right. After that, uh, I will save this file. Now let's move on. User interface. There are no any output. So first of all, I will use custom tag of this component, right? This is a very important. You must remember whenever we will create a new component. So I will use this custom tag inside. I will use app.component.html, right? Just paste and save. Now here you can see we can apply some CSS property for good looking. So suppose that first of all I will write here a break line with purpose. It's just you can apply CSS, but now in this video we will only focus on business logic, right? How to use a how to create form with the help of forms module, right? So first of all we need to pass some reference for this input field for this form. First of all I will pass some reference. Let's say you can write something, let's say forms, right? Forms. And after that I will set this uh, reference name, let's say forms, ng form, right? And Angular provide one event, ng submit. It will submit data from user, right? So I will write here ng submit simply, right? And after that let's move on forms.component.ts. Here I will create one function for get data. Let's say a function name is get data. Inside this function I will console of users data. Let's say you can write a value, you can pass some parameter, and this value getting data from user. So let's copy this method and let's paste inside uh, ng submit. And after that I will pass this reference variable, right? Forms. I will use forms and I will pass value of this input field, right? Users input. So let's here one thing. I will use a ng model, right? Ng model also will tell uh, this username is separate, right? This that means ng model also will tell this username is separate file for this username, and this input field is also separate for password, and this input number input field is separate for number, right? So it is very important. ng model and so features of forms module, two-way data binding. And after that we can set a label. Let's say label and write here enter your username, right? I will copy this label and again I will paste it, and here I will write here enter your password, right? And it's another thing here, enter your mobile number, right? Mobile number. Here I will just write enter your mobile number, right? So I will save, first of all I will save this ts file, and again I will save this html file. Now let's move on user interface. I think we can apply some css. So okay, we can apply we can use peer tag and use simply peer tag. Now let's move on. Okay, this is perfect. And we can use some CSS properties. First of all, I will apply CSS class. Here I will write forms class name of CSS, and here simply I will use, and let's say text align center, right? And after that you can use okay, text align center. So first of all I will save this file. Now this is perfect. So after that uh, you can mm, now let's see how we can display this data. Whenever click on this button, it will display the data of users input, right? So first of all, let's move on inspect, and after that I will write something. Let's say Rakesh Sharma, right? And here password 12345 and number, mobile number. Let's say mm, one. Suppose that's a random number. And when we click on this button, now here you can see on console data will display. Here you can see this is data. So how we can get data? This is a very simple way how we can get data by using forms module. So thank you so much, thanks for watching this video. This is a very simple way how we can use forms module, how we can create forms with the help of ng submit. So thank you so much. In next video we will see what is template driven and what is reactive form, right? So please subscribe my channel, and if you have any questions, so please put in my comment box. Thank you so much.